Hold up. You thought you knew the galaxy far, far away? You ain't seen nothing yet.
Boy, this is not a fairy tale or a novel. This is a fight for survival. And in this desert, no one is your friend.
You may be a father, but we are not a family. Families do not try to destroy each other. They save each other.
Rebellion is not just a cause, personal. This is a vendetta. He will be held accountable.
Much to learn you still have, young Skywalker. But forget you must not. War is it. And war never changes.
Get ready, ladies and gentlemen, for a Star Wars tale that's straight out of this galaxy.
Solo to Jabba after Skywalker.